How to fix Instagram call failed on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First go to Play Store or App Store, and here make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if there's any update here for Instagram and then click updates. And now if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next step. Then close all the applications in the background and turn off your Wi-Fi. Now restart your phone, open Instagram and turn it on again. And if that also doesn't fix your problem and you have an Android phone, go to settings, apps, and then apps again, click Instagram, click force stop, go to storage, clear cache, and then go to permissions. Give it all of those permissions here, and I hope that can fix your problem. Please don't forget to like and see you in the next video.